Hello, my favorite humanoids. Yes, exactly. Yes. Well, let's go and play a little bit. It's not even close to bedtime. I'm sitting just having a relaxation with my. What can we call it? Even though I hate the word. This is like doing a scrum and I'm sprinting. Oh my god. Yeah, scrum. Yeah, okay. Only if I'm doing Scrum on the customer's payroll. That is nice. I can try to figure out how to do it while they pay me to figure it out how to do it. Fuck's sakes. What happened to the V model? Anyways, great news and great excitement. Large breakthrough regarding to the tech videos. I think some people will like it, some people don't, and but that's the way it's gonna be. It was just show. It's of course involving AI. It was just show how useless we have become. Actually, not useless. We are not needed. Let's say it like that. Like that. No, not at all. If I can do it, then somebody else also can do it. I won't buy it. But there's so many things that I don't need people to do for me anymore. Oh! Yes, my little daughter. I'm sorry. Be right back. Get just the baby?
Let's see, Mom. You're Helen Spikers.
Ja, spijkers?
Det är två flyger.
Papa Peppa Schreck.
So, does the bearskin hoodie actually look good on a day-to-day basis? No, it looks fantastic. With the fully adjustable design, you'll get that perfect square profile that's never too bulky or baggy, with a customized fit that's tailored to you. That's why everybody knows that guys look better in a bearskin. This is a hoodie that you can take out in the wild, wear at home or in the office, or while climbing up a glacier on your hands and knees. So, if you're still watching this by now, you probably know that you need a bearskin. So if you're ready, click the button below now to activate the 60% off deal and get fast and free delivery. The bearskin hoodie already sold out twice last winter, with loads of incredible reviews from People.com, Muscle and Fitness, as well as Mountain IQ. Bearskin also proudly supports the fallen outdoors and Hope for the Warriors Veterans Program by donating outdoor gear to those who need it most. But hey, don't just take it from us. Take it from the thousands of guys who already left us so many 5-star reviews on Trustpilot. So now that you know there's a better alternative, why not get a bearskin? Simply click the button below to activate 60% off with free delivery. The 60% off deal only lasts for a short while, so make sure you choose your size today and reserve your order before stock runs out.
Oh, sweet Lord. Talk about getting a fright. My little daughter just came up. She was, wifey is trying to put her to bed. She wanted to have something to eat and tap my arm. And I looked over. I couldn't see anything. Anyways, a fantastic day, fantastic everything. Yeah, okay. Let's start. Sorry for that. I will cut this out for those 2 persons who watch my videos. But you know what? Who cares? It's a pastime. Okay. Yeah. Oh my god. It's such an annoying thing, this. Keep losing my Bluetooth. Oh yes, now I remember this map. We want to be like... oh, yeah, I'm from the other side. Yeah, exactly. And I know where I would have been if I was here. I can remember now. Yeah, I wouldn't advance that much. We need to get up this hill. And they are on the hill. So, uphill battle. Not that fantastic. Hehehe. Retreat! Yeah, I knew it. We will not going to show our little beautiful belly here. Bastard. M24. Yes, I knew it. That position there, uphill, you could see how they're just dying at that position. Bastard. Need to get a grip here. Oh, I need to get a grip. Oh my god. Yeah. Well. I couldn't believe they could get so close and shoot me while I'm in the spawn area. Well. Well, there is an issue playing this game if you are like rushing and dying, rushing and dying, rushing and dying. So, yeah. Okay, let's just take this. You can stick in Palestine. You can stick it where the sun doesn't shine. Oh my god, today I have a big lapse of my eating sugary sweets. And I'm just vacuum cleaning my after eights with my left nostril. Okay.
Бою! Закрыть люки! Механик-водитель к бою готов! Наводчик к бою готов! Заряжающий к бою
Equipment and people, you know, explosive and armor. What is this? Oh, yes, I know. What this is? Yes, I'm here. Go away. Get over this. Yeah, we are also flanked here on both sides, but playing shit, living dangerously. That is my middle name. This is like my. Oh my god. Are we the baddies? He's get patient. I'm begging of him to lose. He didn't. Don't.
Бронебойным готово!
Готово this. You don't have to lose. Stop goddamn rushing. Tree was in the way. You just need to. Okay. Thank you, and come again.
Цель уничтожена! Враг заменили! Бронебойным
Aye. Rossi Alexi, what's that? Red Alex? What the hell is standing here and need to like watch and shoot one shot.
11 часов. Дистанция 350 метров. Бронебойным готово. Артиллерия! Координаты! М-3! Уничтожить! М-3! Принял! Открываю огонь! Как? 1 час!
Thank you, come again.
Танк! 1 час! Упор! Цель уничтожена! Танк! 1 час! Дистанция 300 метров! Бронебойным готово! Танк! 2 часа! Дистанция 400 метров! Недолет!
Oh,
Бронебойным готово! Танк! 2 часа! Дистанция 350 метров! Танк! 1 час! Упор! Недолет! Артиллерия! Координаты! М-3! Уничтожить! М-3! Принял! Открываю огонь! Бронебойным готово! Артиллерия! Координаты! М-1! Уничтожить! М-1! Принял! Танк! 2 часа! Дистанция 400 метров! Нас подбили! Бронебойным готово! Танк! 10 часов! Дистанция 350 метров! Цель подбита! Цель уничтожена!
Another zone captured. We have the advantage.
Танк! 10 часов! Дистанция 300 метров! Танк! 11 часов! Дистанция 350 метров! Влево! 012! Бронебойным готово! Танк! 11 часов! Дистанция 300 метров! Цель уничтожена! Танк! 12 часов! Близко! Бронебойным готово!
Ваш квадрат наносит артиллерийский удар.
11 часов! Вижу повреждения!
Авиация на подъеме.
Артиллерия! Координаты! Где? 1. Уничтожить!
Принял. Открываю огонь.
Бронебойным готово! Восемь часов! Упор! Попадание! Цель уничтожена! Танк! 9 часов! Близко! Бронебойным готово! Нас подбили! Недолет! Артиллерия! Координаты! М-2! Уничтожить!
Принял. Открываю огонь. Авиация на подъеме.
Артиллерия! Вызываю огонь на себя!
Понял. Перевязку закончил. Открываю огонь.
that was a close call, huh?
Бронебойным готово!
Готово!
Пушка к бою готова! Нас подбили!
That was like biblical precision.
When the proverbial hits the fan and are the first to place the blame by protesting far too much when they should really be ashamed. So let's all shout out loud when there are bigots holding court. Let frank words overpower and cut their frantic raving short. The darker days of stop being an
Now soul. Okay. Bum, bum, bum. Yes. Okay, that was pretty fun. Pretty much fun. And I'm all out of After Eights. These bastards, they go like they're not good or something. Jeez, man. And all out of coffee. This is just... Oh my god, I need to go out to work like for 4 or 5 hours tomorrow. Just to get rid of the shit that I've eaten these past 2 days. It's a lot. Okay, where are we going? I think there's a church here, and I'm gonna place myself in the stairwell, if I remember correctly. Otherwise, plan is not to die fast. Oh no, it isn't. I'll press it is. But anyways, it's good to have that sweet capture points, but I won't make it. Yeah. But we are not trying to go inside. I think we should get over. This is a very precarious position to be at. This side, I think, the other spot with the houses is much better, but we'll see. And I have my weak side to the enemy, of course I have. Titoba. That was, he had a catastrophic failure of some sorts, but we are absolutely dying here. We need to get, we can't see, there's no, what the hell?
Capture the zone. Hold north. The enemy's getting closer to victory.
Attention to the designated grid zone.
Oh, what the cunt. He is heading in my direction.
Внимание, воздух!
Попадание! Бронебойным готово!
He was like all the way.
Бронебойным готово!
Танк, 10 часов. Дистанция 950 метров.
Недалек!
Танк, 11 часов. Дистанция 750 метров. Огонь!
Недалек! Бронебойным готово!
Танк, 10 часов. Дистанция 300 метров.
Недалек!
Внимание, воздух! Танк, 11 часов. Дистанция 400 метров.
Вижу повреждения!
Come on, please.
Ходовая вышла из строя! Попадание! Бронебойным готово! Цель подбита! Пушка слетела!
Trading insults.
Цель подбита! Цель уничтожена! Бронебойным готово! Есть вперед!
Танк, 12 часов. Дистанция 550 метров.
Ходовая вышла из строя! Перелет! Бронебойным готово!
Танк, 1 час. Дистанция 450 метров.
I got their interest. Oh my god, sure do. I got to run across.
Multiple strategic zones are captured. Один час. Дистанция 350 метров.
Вижу повреждения!
Шрапнелью. Воздух. Бронебойным готово. Танк. 2 часа. Дистанция 550 метров. Танк. 2 часа. Дистанция 500 метров.
Попадание!
Огонь!
Попадание!
I think he bought it.
Выстрел.
Oh my god.
Бронебойным готово.
What the hell is going on here?
Угасную.
Okay.
Угасным готово.
Недолет!
Танк. 2 часа. Дистанция 900 метров. Огонь! Танк. 2 часа. Дистанция 900 метров.
Цель подбита!
Выстрел.
Вижу повреждения!
Танк. 1 час. Дистанция 850 метров.
Перелет!
Угасным.
Влево!
004. Бронебойным готово. Самолет. 2 часа. Дистанция 1100 метров. Танк. 1 час. Дистанция 850 метров. Внимание, воздух.
Перелет!
Бронебойным готово.
Нас подбили!
Внимание, воздух. Артиллерия. Координаты. Д-4. Уничтожить. Д-4. Принял. Открываю огонь. Артиллерия. Координаты. Д-4. Уничтожить. Д-4. Принял. Открываю огонь. Артиллерия. Координаты. Д-4. Уничтожить.
Bastards. Okay, what did we get? We got that. What did we miss? We are not missing. We are filters. Thank you. A little bit more speed, I think. And did we get any sweet trainings here? So we are going to take vitality. I just read that it doesn't work or something like that. I don't know. We're gonna just take that. What's the time? 22:29. 60 pulse. So I'm fairly excited. What should we do? I think we are missing to level that and this one. Let's play this one. Yeah.
Вами стоп!
Закрыть люки. Механик-водитель к бою готов. Наводчик к бою готов. Заряжающий к бою готов.
They're just watching this guy. Where's my body?
Есть вперед!
Not even hydraulics. He has to move that around with hand power. What must the pitch be on that screw, lead screw? It must be a lot, since like 1, 2, 3, yeah. It's high-pitched lead screw on that digital, high-pitched digital lead screw. That sounds like a band of some sorts. Have you seen my high-speed digital lead screw? Or something. Look at that. The first, that one I surely can. Yeah. We should not test our luck. We will get oh, I got a boulder there. It's a song from Gary. I almost said Gary Lineker, but I always said Gary Moore. But it's not Gary at all. It's like him, Steve. No, not Steve. Garth Brooks. God damn it. Almost threw every single name in the name book of losers. Gary Lineker, the biggest one. Okay, this is good. This is like a matching. We are like a. That was extremely lucky, yeah? Like shell-shocked by that. Here you go, fool! Look at my pipes, they're glowing hot. Oh. Did he get slightly boo-boo? Just take the chance. Take the chance on me. And first in line. Let's see how many pounds of democracy we get this time. There's probably nobody left of the poor bastards. Oh, there are. Tank destroyer. SPG. Oh my god, I got rockets. Oh.
Allied forces have captured a zone.
Turkey shooting. What do you call it? Just like you couldn't turn, baby. Did they hurt your boo boo? Ah, yes. Excellent. What was the yeah, excellent. Improved parts, good shit. And did we get any crew? We had that one there. Oh. Radio killed something star. So I wonder how I can just record an application. Yeah. Oh my god, I hate this map. So B. No, or something else. Let's see what we get. Can't even remember what I'm leveling at the moment. Ah, look at that camouflage. 5 points per every 5 points per every kill when you are fully leveled, and you need like, I don't know, 100 points or something like that. Ominem. Katoba. And of course, it's uphill. We don't want to attack uphill, so we are going to Overwatch B here. Oh, deep snow. What do we got here? So, and I need to level this one, huh? I think.
Most of the zones are under enemy's control. Thank you very much! Попадание!
Oh.
Авиация на подлете! Выстрел! Рота артиллерийского удара! Defend the sea point. Нас подбили! Воздух! Полетели готово!
Come on, man. Where did this?
часов. Дистанция 350 метров. Нас подбили. Танк 12 часов. Дистанция 350 метров. Танк 12 часов. Дистанция 400 метров. Воздух! Обнаружили!
Oh.
Вперед! Capture the zone. Нас подбили.
yes.
Внимание, воздух! Один час. Дистанция 450 метров. Внимание, воздух! Самолет! 7 часов. Дистанция 1900 метров.
We're ahead of the enemy.
Цель уничтожена.
Enemy forces have captured a zone.
Авиация на подъеме. Самолет! 12 часов.
The enemy has captured most of the strategic zones. Thank you very much.
Подбили. Заряжающий без сознания. Лучик контужен.
Yes. 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 Murdered. $300, I think. I think we're close to buying one of the German tanks now. Or was it 500,000 or something? Can't remember. So we are taking. Let's just take this one. Get it out of the way.
По местам! Экипаж к бою! Механик-водитель к бою готов!
Okatoba.
Заряжающий к бою готов!
Attack the seaplane.
Potota. And the Ost. The hell is that? They're confusing me with those foreign thingies. So I don't know. A little bit of a flank in action, perhaps.
Дистанция 550 метров.
Oh.
The enemy controls most of the strategic zones.
Цель уничтожена! Самолет! 12 часов!
Внимание, воздух! I agree. Attack the beach.
Так! 12 часов! В упор! Козявник поврежден!
Oh my god.
Авиация на подлете!
Нас подбили!
Угроза артиллерийского удара!
Пушка в бою готова!
Внимание, воздух!
Ah.
12 часов!
Oh my god. Come on. Really?
Цель уничтожена!
Repairing!
Пушка в строю! Кумулятивным готово!
Авиация на подлете!
Без сознания!
That was a nice tank. So is this.
Самолет! 12 часов! Дистанция 850 метров!
Attention to the designated grid square. Defend the C point! Attack the B point! Attack the B point!
Yeah.
Внимание, воздух!
Самолет! 1 час! Дистанция 1000 метров! Так! 11 часов! Упор! Право! 008!
Announcing.
Бронебойным готово!
The enemy has most of the strategic zones. Внимание, воздух!
часа. Дистанция 350 метров. Цель подбита. 1 час. Близко. Бронебойным готово. ЗСУ. 1 час. Близко. Авиация на подъеме. Попадание! Цель уничтожена! Бронебойным готово! Да! 12 часов! Близко! Нас подбили! Медальон! Бронебойным готово!
Oh my god. Bastard. No.
Миссия не выполнена! Отходим!
At least they had 2 for 3. And delicious upgrades. I got that one. That was fantastic. Yes. And we are, unfortunately, you are relieved of duty. And we shall do this one. That looks very fun. Very much fun. And smoke grenades. Is that so fantastic? Perhaps. Yeah. We got the suspension, we have the filter, and what else do we need? We got the we don't have the elevation. We're gonna take the elevation. And we are going to vitalize. And vision. Nothing there. Look at that beauty. Ah, that's gonna be exciting. I have actually been looking forward for this for like at least 2 sessions now. And the other one. Oh my god, I forgot it. I should have leveled the other one. Okay, let's see what's the hubbub is all about. If there is any hubbub. What have I eaten this weekend? I ate
Закрыть люки. Механик-водитель, к бою готов. Наводчик к бою готов.
2 or 3 bags of crisps. Look at this little. Oh, Oh my god, I like that. Everything is going to be not happy. Hey, that was awesome, huh? We like it already.
Один час.
How is
Один час. Дистанция 1300 метров. Танк. Один час. Дистанция 900 метров.
Go away! Come on, give me a give me a goddamn break, man. I was just having fun.
Enemy forces have captured the zone.
Okay.
The enemy is winning.
Okay, there's an aircraft incoming. From here.
Самолет. 3 часа. Дистанция 1700 метров.
Hold. Fuck off. Why are they taking all the fun away from me? God damn it. Shouldn't be that easy. Oh my god.
Бронебойным готово. Самолет. 2 часа.
Okay, cut over this.
Внимание, воздух.
Attention to the map. Yes.
Viper, is that what stands there? Not too. Oh my god, that. Look at that experience in something worthless. that Viper dude?
Квадрат наносит артиллерийский удар. Угроза артиллерийского удара.
He's trying to...
Внимание, воздух! Воздух! Protect the main point! Авиация на поддержке!
Бронебойным готово!
Танк! 4 часа! Близко! Вижу повреждения!
Бронебойным готово!
Attack the sea point!
Пушка в бою готова! Двигатель горит!
Ходовая вышла из строя! Танк! 3 часа! Близко! Попадание!
Okay. Sometimes you eat the cheese, and sometimes you just get smelly fingers. Okay, what was it now? I forgot. This one? Really? What I saw this. Look at that. It's so ugly, only a mother could love it. 160 rounds a minute. And that one as well. And this. That is so shit. It's got 4 of those little pew pews. Oh, look at that. In a couple of 100 games, we will be there. So we shouldn't actually do that. We can get that one. We should do that or have this one. I saw this one in the game earlier. It was quite fine. Let's just do that. I think I need to go to the local shop and buy myself some more calories. Maybe I need a little bit of vitamin sprinkles. Yeah, let's take it. It's such a fantastic. I believe it's such a fantastic tank. Oh, Machina, goddammit. Tatova. Okay, we are going on top here. Oh! Come on, let me past you guys. Let me get past. It's a dangerous world out there, and I need to look out for you all, man. I am. Oh, look at that. Oh my God! Look how slow I am. Is this a death trap? Probably. Where? Oh, this plateau, I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it a bit. Neither does that bit. Can I get? Oh. I need to go to B. Ah! I was mortally damaged. And so is he. We need to like see, you cannot go in there, you need to go to the other entrance. But oh, that's the ram. Oh my God! Fucking moron. No, it's not a fucking nearby and do nothing.
Бронебойным готово! Влево! 004! Танк 10 часов. Дистанция 450 метров.
God damn it.
Танк 10 часов. Дистанция 400 метров. Бронебойным готово! Авиация на подлете. Бронебойным готово! Цель уничтожена! Танк 10 часов.
Thank you very much. Come again.
50 метров. Танк 10 часов. Дистанция 450 метров. Бронебойным готово. Танк 10 часов. Дистанция 450 метров. Цель уничтожена. Танк 10 часов. Дистанция 500 метров. Внимание, воздух. Бронебойным готово. Танк 9 часов. Дистанция 350 метров. Танк 11 часов. Дистанция 450 метров. Танк 12 часов. Дистанция 650 метров. 11 часов. Дистанция 750 метров. Влево. Бронебойным готово. Танк 12 часов. Дистанция 600 метров. Танк 11 часов. Дистанция 650 метров. Влево. 004. Огонь! Господин! Перелет! Бронебойным готово! Танк 11 часов! Дистанция 600 метров! Перелет! Ходовая вышла из строя! Вижу повреждения! Танк 11 часов! Дистанция 600 метров! Бронебойным готово! Танк 11 часов! Дистанция 350 метров! Перелет! Бронебойным готово! Танк 12 часов! Дистанция 350 метров! Танк 12 часов! Дистанция 600 метров! Перелет! Недолет! Цель подбита! Пулемет готов! Бронебойным готово! Танк 2 часа! Дистанция 600 метров! Танк 12 часов! Дистанция 500 метров! Танк 12 часов! Дистанция 500 метров! Часов. Дистанция 450 метров. Танк 7 часов. Дистанция 400 метров. Попадание. Внимание, воздух. Бронебойным. Бронебойным готово. Попадание. Нас подбили. Фугасным готово. Цель подбита.
Oh my god.
Авиация на подлете. Бронебойным готово. Танк 9 часов. Дистанция 400 метров. Внимание, воздух.
have the advantage.
Авиация на подходе.
Destroy the target!
Артиллерия, координаты. F-4. Уничтожить. F-4. Принял. Открываю огонь.
Somebody attack him!
Unbelievable, we won that, huh? It is unbelievable. Got a couple of what's that? Excellent, tank man. Thank you very much. So that's the Kwai KW1. We got that. What else do we need? Let's take tracks. And then, okay, let's just take crew replenishments. There's a low hanging fruit for the next leveling. Gonna buy this one, research buy that one and bypass it, and then get this one instead. What's the time? Since it's already morning. 23:25. I think I will call it a night.